Okay, welcome to this episode of How to Make Rope. We'll be taking a look at how to make marline. Now marline is a very useful material for outdoor use, anything do lashings or overall knot work and everything, serving of course, ropes. And in Finland it's very popular to give as Christmas presents sauna elves, it's called, the guardian of sauna. I'll put a link in the description on how to make one, and marline is the material that you would like to use for the elf. So I'll be making this at my rope walk, and let's take a look. Now this is the material that you'll be using for a good marline. Tarred rope yarn. This is actually hemp yarn. It's the same yarn that was used for rigging for the ship Göteborg. It's a very long fiber hemp yarn. And that's what we'll be using for our marline. So we'll start simply by pulling two yarns to rope walk. One in here and the other one in the rope jack. Step is to give more twist to yarns. The yarns are S-twisted, so I'll be changing the direction of my rope jack. We'll be giving the yarns slight over twist and then let them to twist together. And then just simply letting the yarns to twist together. And next we'll be giving the marline over twist, so I'll be changing the direction again. So first we gave the yarns over twist in that direction, both yarns. And now we'll be giving over twist to the marline on opposite direction. We'll be putting these in the same hook and giving it the twist that direction. Then, keeping here a piece of leather and give a good polish for the marline. And that's how your marline is made. Very nice, polished marline. Good for anything. Now to put it on roll and waiting for the Christmas.